everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira and today I am gonna show you what I got for my birthday and what I got for Christmas. So my last vlog was my birthday vlog. You can check it out down below, and now I'm gonna show you all the gifts I got. Pati na rin yung sa Christmas. Nagsasama ko na yung dalawang yun into one video as I have for the past years. I think this is my 5th time doing this, so I've been here a while. But disclaimer, this video is not me trying to brag or whatever. I genuinely like watching these types of videos, so if you want to watch, then watch. If you don't, then don't. Okay. So anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Woo! First off are gifts from my cousins or tito, tita, ganyan. First are these paint brushes. Ako yung namili nito. This is the Craft Central Basic Set, and then sa likod meron ding Himi. I don't know. My cousin got this from the Craft Central. Lahat ng kaya kong i-link down below. I'll link it down below, especially like small businesses, ganyan, that we can support. Pinili ko to because one of the things that I want to do this year is to paint again. Dahil nandito na to, kailangan ko na mag-paint. Problema nga lang, wala pa akong paint. I think you guys are more artistic than me, so can you recommend me a good brand for watercolor paint? Or ano bang mas maganda? Yung pinaplano ko lang talagang bilhin is yung sa Prang na watercolor kasi yun yung ginamit ko ng grade school ako. So, hindi ko lang kung may mas maganda pa ba or affordable or something. So let me know in the comment section down below. And she also got me this notebook of Disney Tangled. Sabi niya kasi naalala daw niya ako nung nakita niya to sa National. So binili na niya and it's so cute. Ayan, pwede ko tong gawing journal, ganun. From my tita, I got this set of makeup sponges. Kulang na lang siya ng isa kasi yun na yung ginagamit ko ngayon. And also this Quadlet mini palette. Wow! Oh, remember those days na ganito magpakita? It's in the shade Sanguine. And I like the colors. It's so neutral. Tapos may pink pa. And then I also got this BLK lipstick. Actually, hindi ko pa to nabubuksan talaga or kahit nasa swatch. But it's in this like armor brown color. Pagpasensyahan nyo na din yung nails ko. It's in the shade Fresh. Ayun. My cousin also got me this super cute pair of earrings. If you know me, sobrang hilig ko sa earrings. As in, lalo na nung high school, I had like 30 pairs of earrings. So like, everyday talaga, iba-iba yung earrings na sinusuot ko. Tapos yun yung nagdidictate kung ano magiging buhok ko, ganun. Sobrang arte ko. Also, this cute bow tie na tali. May hilig ako sa mga tali na ganito, yung may design. Lalo na kapag nandito lang ako sa bahay. And then from another tita, I got this keychain. It's so cute. Nilagay ko na siya dito sa may susi ko, sa closet. Ayan. Nya, aso. Aso ba to? Or donkey? I don't know. She also got me this hairbrush na merong pangalan ko. It says Moira. Cute nung ribbon, ganyan. Pero nasira ko na. So, gamitin na natin to, no? And then I also got this t-shirt. This is from For Me. Hindi ko lang kung For Me or Form ba yung tawag sa store. Pero may shopping ako dun dati. It just has this graphic and it says Señorita. Kasi napaka-señorita ko dito sa bahay. Next up are from my friends. So first we have this hand and body lotion from Marks and Spencer. So this is from my friend Almina. Hi Almina! She's my friend from college. Tapos ayun, online exchange gift kami. Ginagamit ko na to every night. Sobrang mag-invest talaga kayo sa mga hand cream. For lotions, ganun, they're very good for your skin. Sa office din, nag-online Christmas party kami. So, we also did an online exchange gift. So, I got these 3 Vice Cosmetics lipsticks. So, these are in the shades Pony, Chu-Chu-Chu, and Cheverlu. Kasi ito guys, itong Pony, ito yung holy grail lipstick ko. I love it so much. She also got me these. I think this is from the BT21 collection ng Vice. It's in the shades Universe Star and Superstar. Ayan, kasi actually, dalawa lang talaga hining kong lipsticks. Hindi ko lang na may promo pala, kaya umabot naman sa price range. So, dumami. So, thank you very much. So naman, I posted this on Instagram a while back. They're from my high school friend, Marga. Hi, Marga! And she started her own business. Check out her IG store, craftingmarie.ph. I think I'll also link it down below. And she does all this like resin designs. So she gave me this first, a bookmark. So cute. Isa rin sa New Year's resolutions ko to finish 5 books this year. So hopefully magawa ko siya. I think this is another bookmark. Ayan, pero merong paw print na design. And this one is a keychain and it has my name on it. It says Moira. And lastly is another keychain. Ito yung contactless something na ito na yung gagamitin mo pambukas ng pinto or whatever para di mo na kailangan hawakan. Very perfect for this time. Yeah, check out her store. Very affordable din yung mga ito. And then from Gabby, another high school friend, she got me these kasi tinanong niya ano daw gusto ko for Christmas. Sabi ko, bigyan mo ako sabon kasi maubusan na akong sabon. Ayan, body wash from eavesdropping. I don't know. Meron ding dalawa pa, pero nasa banyo na. So, ito lang papakita ko. Yan, so cute. And from my best friends, ano ba unahin natin? Actually, ito, unahin na natin tong necklace. Kim got this for me. It's a necklace that says Moira. Ah, it's so cute! Nakikita ko sa Instagram. Parang, oh my gosh, ang cute. Bilhin ko ba to? Buti lang hindi. I've always wanted a necklace like this, so I'm so happy na ito yung Christmas gift niya. Kim also started her own small business. Ah, I'm so proud of her. I'm so happy. High school pa lang kami, she already was making these kinds of things. So follow her IG store. It's at claystudio.ph and they also have the cutest pairs of earrings. So first is this one. Parang hoop earrings siya and handmade niya to. It's so cute kasi sobrang minimalist yung lang yung design niya. And then it also came in this color. Parang siyang speckled. Ganon, mocha. And then meron ding isaw na design. White Piper, I think is the name of the earring. Ito yung sinot ko nung minodel namin yung mga earrings niya. Ganda, diba? Parang ang linis lang niya tignan. Lastly, sobrang cute din ito. Parang siyang rainbow na neutral, minimalist, whatever. So, ayan. Sobrang excited din ako to wear these earrings. Follow her Instagram store at claystudio.ph and get your own pair now. Wow! Then, Carrie got me this dress. It's so cute. Ayan. It's like white ruffled, tas may parang cross-stitch sa gitna. Actually, I do love these types of dresses right now, especially mga may puffy sleeves, whatever. I think they're so cute. This is from, I think, popchic.ph. And then she also got me a planner. Itong sticker, ako na lang nag-stick niyan. Okay, plain lang talaga to. This is the everyday planner. I hear parang sikat ata to na naubusan na sila ng stock. This is what I'm currently using for work and sobrang gusto ko yung layout niya. Blank yung number, so hindi siya specifically for 2021. Hindi siya sayang. Yun yung ayaw ko minsan sa mga planner na kapag hindi mo nagamit this year, wala na, tapon na, or something. Yun naman itapon, recycle nyo. From Ilka naman, she got me these pillowcases na Friends theme because she knows that I love the show Friends so much. So this one just says, I'll be there for you. And then, ang hirap. This one is the cartoon version of the cast. And another black one. Ito yung sa intro naman ng Friends, diba? So nice! And on top of that, she also got me this mirror. This mirror, guys. So, the mirror looks like this. Ayan, wow. Look at that detail though. What does it remind you of? This is from an Instagram store of her friend, so I'll also link that down below. This is a Game of Thrones mirror. I think this is like yung Battle of Blackwater Season 2, I think. Grabe, tinan nyo guys yung likod. Kayang-gaya niya yung nasa set ng Game of Thrones. I cannot. It's so nice. Oh yeah, and also the three of them got me this loungewear that I'm wearing right now. Also, color black lang siya. Ayan. And then some plain shorts. Ooh, hirap mag-balance. Sabi nila, binili daw nila yun para sa TikTok ko. Okay, magti-TikTok na talaga ako this year. Also got a few gifts for myself. So first up are these headbands. Sobrang ang cute ng mga headbands na to. Nahanap ko lang sila randomly sa Shopee. So I will link them all down below for you. You're welcome. It's so cute. So first one is black lang and then it has a lot of these pearls. Reminds me of Six, the musical, whenever I wear it. I love it. It's so cute. Next, we have this cheetah print one. Ewan ko, pero every time na nakakita ko ng cheetah print, gusto ko na siyang bilhin. And sobrang komportable din niya. And the last headband, this one is so unnecessary, but it's very necessary for me, is this! It's a sequined headband. Pink! So parang ako, oh my gosh, I have to have this. Kahit na mukha akong ewan, mukha akong yung mga santo or something. And masakit din to kasi nga puro sequins din siya kahit sa loob. But I don't know, anything that's like shiny, I love. And anything that's pink, I love. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video because it's so shiny. And while wandering around Shopee, I also got these stickers. Hindi ko na sila ilalabas. Mag-insert na lang ng picture or something. So this one is Gilmore Girls themed. Oh my gosh, guys. Last year, first time ko pinanood yung Gilmore Girls and sobrang in love ako sa kanya. It's so cozy, very heartwarming. And yung dynamic ni Lorelai and Rory, ang saya niya panoorin kasi it's also very witty yung conversations nila. Ayun. And then I also got a Friends themed one because duh. I also got myself this Benefit makeup set. Actually, yung bibilin ko lang talaga dapat is yung Hoola bronzer. Pero, ang mahal kasi niya, 1.9. Tapos nakita ko to, set na siya, 2.1 lang. So, parang sabi ko, ito na lang bilhin ko, kahit na mas maliit yung Hoola bronzer dito. Meron din namang ibang items. First, ayan, it's the Hoola bronzer. Very classic. It fits all skin tones. This is such a good bronzer or contour powder for anyone, really. It also came with this mascara. This is the Bad Gal Bang. Meron ding benefit, they're real mascara. There's also a mini professional primer. This is the one I use all the freaking time. Meron ding sample ng Goof-proof brow pencil. This one I also love. Anything that you need for eyebrows, go to Benefit. And meron ding sample ulit ng professional. So, diba? Sobrang sulit. And then from my parents, they got me these books. Ako rin humingi nito. Galing pa tong ibang bansa, so medyo matagal talaga siyang dumating. Pero okay lang. So, first is this book by Rachel Bloom. It's I Want to Be Where the Normal People Are. I am such a big fan of Rachel Bloom. Siya yung creator, actor, writer, everything of Crazy Ex-Girlfriend. One of my favorite series is her, kind of like her autobiography or something. Pero I don't know yet. Hindi ko pa nababasa. So, very excited. Tapos ang cute no, ano niya, no? Cover. Para siyang yung sa Babysitter's Club or something. I also got this. It's the Home Edit book. The Home Edit is like a professional organizing company. Nasa Instagram sila. They also have their own Netflix show, Getting Organized. Na sobrang satisfying niya panoorin, guys. As in, ang sayo niya ulit-ulitin kasi it's so organized. It's so clean. Just wanted to have their book so I can look at all the pretty pictures. And last but definitely not the least, napakita ko na to in my last vlog. Hati kami ng parents ko. Bumili nito. I got a new phone! So, I got an iPhone 12. This is 128 gig. It's in the color mint green. Nilagyan ko muna ng sticker ni Rory sa loob ng clear case. And sobrang saya ko talaga. I've been using this for a week or two. Sobrang upgrade niya from my iPhone SE. If you want to see the unboxing, check out my last video. Also, abangan nyo yung next video ko, which is gonna be what's on my iPhone 12. But guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!